In this video, we're gonna take a look at how we create and set up a publisher account in the Unity Asset Store. What do you need before we get started? You need a PayPal or a bank account, a website where your customers can contact you, your personal information or your company data. If you have everything ready, then let us begin. Open the Unity Asset Store, scroll down, click on Submission Guidelines. Here we will find all informations for your projects and create a publisher account. If you have any questions, mostly you will find the answers here. Let's go back to the Asset Store. Scroll down, click on Publisher Login. Here you can sign up with your Google account or Facebook, or you use your Unity ID. Click Sign In. If you don't have create your publisher account, here is no access. Click on Create a new Asset Store Publisher. And now you have to fill in all these informations. You can change this later. It is not a problem if you have anything wrong. On the customer support, here you need to take your email address and from your website your contact where your customers can contact you. Simply copy and paste this URL in. This section you will find later when you have created a project here in the Unity Asset Store under these two icons. For your business informations, you write your name, your email address and your phone number. Here no one can see this, this is only for Unity. You need the correct phone number because sometimes for login you need to get a code from Unity per SMS. That's new rules. If you see in the marks, it's all sign in correct. Then on this section, the name, descriptions, URL and key images you will find later over the heading Arithmetics or your company name. Here are the key images and the support icons for your customers. What you have to do here is write your name. This is important, you must have to do this. For the URL, for the web link, we choose here now our home website. Like before, copy and paste it in. Here in the description, you have to write everything via HTML text. You can take a bunch of information for your customers. For the key images, you need to create an image with this size. Let's fill it in. The same is for the large image. You have to create one with the size, pixel sizes. If you fit this here correct in, it will look later in the Asset Store like this. If you take a look, when is everything correct, click on Save New Publisher. Now you have to accept the terms of services. You can read this. Click on Accept. Click OK. No, don't be scary. This can need a bunch of time. And when it's saved correct, your publisher account has been created. As I said before, here you can change everything what you have filled in the first login of your publisher account. If you need any changes, you can make it here. Even the key images can be changed later if you want. If you have Google Analytics already, only what you have to do here is go to your Google Analytics site, fill in the tracking ID. So, on the location prefix, you write here what is stand in the default, like Asset Store. If you have any questions or if not set anything correct, click here on the Google Analytics support site and you can read all the informations what you have to do. Later you have to fill in on the package one of the URL links, and when you click on save, it will be active in 1 or 2 hours. That works fine. Next we go to payout. Here for the important part, for the payouts, you have to fill in your publisher informations, your name, your NAST name, your organization, city, email address, and so on. Make sure you fill it in similar to your bank account address or to your PayPal account. If you do not do this, you will never get paid out. Even the phone number have to be the same like in your PayPal account. Unity give us 2 options. We have get paid out via PayPal or via wire. Here on the PayPal, you only need to write your email address from your PayPal account or paypal.com. Here you will pay out every month on the 15th. On the wire options, they pay it out quarterly. That means every 4 months they pay it out for your income. It have to be $250. If you don't have the $250, they don't pay it out. So make sure you want this option. If you need more information, go to Asset Store, Submission Guideline, and on the FAQ. You write here in wire, click enter. Why has my Asset Store payout not been sent? And here you can read all the informations what is for you important. For the PayPal account, they pay it out monthly on the 15th. If you have set the bank account transfer, they pay it out on January, April, July, and October. Here is important, if you don't have the minimum payout on $250, they say the money will be saved until to the next quarter. So you must choose now your options. For us it is clearly we take the PayPal account. If you have set everything correct, don't forget to save. Here on users, you can add other users who work with you in your group, or they create packages for you or make your invoices. Only what you have to do is add a user, write in his email address, and when he accepted, he will fill in here in this account. On vouchers, you have to get free packages for your chosen customers. You need their email address. Important is you have only 12 packages for free per year. So with this you can use it as ads or for your own wishes. On your invoices, here you have to write in from your company your VAT number, and then you can set up your invoice for your company. If you are a single person, like an artist who make this, you don't need to do this at the beginning. Make sure that your state or your country allows you to work under this tax limit. In the next section, here will be Unity create every month the debit, credit and balanced from your sellings. This is an overview of your select assets. On the next part on free downloads, if you have created some packages who are for free in the Unity Asset Store, they will be listed here. And this section will be choose every month. So if you click on your August, September or whatever, it will list it every month up your the downloads from this month. On sales, you here can see how many you cross in. Unity takes 30% and your net incoming, it will be showing here on the net. This will be updated every month. So you have an overview of your incomes. Under updates, this is for later. Here you can upgrade your packages. For example, you have an asset pack and add another content in it. Then your customer who have paid the old asset, he can sell the difference between these two assets for upgrade the new package. Here you can create a new asset pack where you can sell in the Unity Asset Store, but this comes in the next video. For more tutorials, please give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.